Agriculture is more than an industry. It's India's strength, contributing 16% to the GDP and supporting nearly half the population. Yet, market uncertainties and price fluctuations often stand in the way of a farmer's prosperity. In India, approximately 30% of fruits and vegetables are lost post-harvest. This results in over 75,000 crore lost every year because limited access to cold chain infrastructure and the inability of farmers to wait for better market prices.
At Ecozen, our vision has been to enable climate-smart agriculture. We started with a mission to empower farmers using sustainable tech solutions that could make their lives better. From day one, we have been focused on solving real problems like irrigation and cold storage with focus on clean energy. Driven by this thought, we built Ecofrost. It is a container-sized refrigerator where the farmers or any user can store a perishable commodity for a longer time. We built another solution in which the solar energy can be used to drive the submersible pumps, and through this the farmers can easily irrigate their lands and grow produce even in the off-season time. So in both our products, the main energy source which the product runs on is renewable energy, that is solar energy. We have seen incredible impact on the ground, farmers increasing productivity and earnings and significantly reducing their post-harvest losses. At the same time, our solar-powered solutions have helped irrigate over 6 lakh acres and saved over 2 million tons of greenhouse gas emissions. It's sustainability with real-world outcomes. Basically, we use Fusion platform for 3D CAD, and this platform has been used in designing all of our products, be it the Ecotron, which is the controller, where it's majorly sheet metal design, and the Ecofrost, in which the overall packaging of the room refrigeration components, electrical components. Fusion offered exactly the value we needed relative to the investment required. Initially, our workflows were siloed. For example, a CAD person would design first and then perform CAE simulations in another software with many iterations. In contrast, Fusion integrates CAD and simulation in one software, significantly simplifying the CAD engineer's workflow and allowing us to achieve about 80% of the final design even before submitting to CAE. Fusion's cloud-based software proved to be a beneficial. It enabled seamless collaboration, real-time access to files, and version control, ensuring that the productivity didn't take a hit despite the physical distance between the team members. Secondly, Fusion's all-in-one platform has streamlined our design and engineering process. Previously, we had to use separate tools for CAD and CAE, which led to delays and multiple iterations. With Fusion, the design and simulation workflows are integrated, resulting in faster turnaround times and improved accuracy. Also, major advantages we observed was the significant cost savings. With Autodesk Fusion, we were able to save up to 30% on our CAD-related investment. As the number of products and product variants increased, changing all the products at the same time was getting difficult and the communication was getting difficult. Talking specifically about Fusion Manage, we were able to bring all stakeholders right from ideation to product development and even production onto a single platform. This helped improve visibility and accountability across departments. Maintaining BOM and product data became much simpler and reliable. This helped in reducing errors and making the handoff between teams smoother and traceable. Fusion has a very intuitive and modern user interface, which makes it easy to learn, especially for engineers familiar with CAD tools. The learning curve is relatively short, and our team was able to reach proficiency within just 1 to 2 months of hands-on use. This quick ramp-up helped us realize value from the platform early on. Implementing Fusion Manage as our PLM solution was also smooth and structured process. We were able to roll it out and onboard our teams within just 2 quarters. The platform's flexibility and cloud-based nature made it easier to align stakeholders across design and production phases. Cloud storage played a crucial role in streamlining our product development. Since everything was hosted on the cloud, we didn't need to invest in setting up or maintaining physical servers. which saved us time. The cloud made deployment much faster and allowed us to collaborate seamlessly with internal teams. This ensured quicker decision making, better data accessibility, and more efficient project execution. Honestly, it's not about just better tools, it's about better outcomes for our teams, for our farmers, and for the planet.